What happens when you masturbate daily? Welcome to Grandma's Wise Advice. Today, we're exploring a topic that's both personal and impactful: the effects of daily masturbation. Drawing on insights from a female doctor, our discussion delves into the science, psychology, and possible outcomes of this behavior, without judgment or stigma. Let's start with the fundamentals. Masturbation is a natural part of human sexuality and a common way for individuals to relieve tension and boost mood. While everyone's frequency and motivation differ, the question remains: does engaging in it every day remain healthy, or could it lead to unintended consequences? We'll examine its physical, emotional, and psychological dimensions to shed some light on this. Section 1. The basics of masturbation. Masturbation is an activity most people explore at some point in their lives. It allows you to understand your body, release built-up tension, and even elevate your mood. Importantly, it's a safe sexual outlet that carries none of the risks of sexually transmitted infections that can come with partnered sexual activity. However, as with many aspects of self-care, frequency matters. When masturbation becomes a daily habit, or even more frequent, it's natural to wonder about any potential effects on your overall health. Section 2. Physical impacts of frequent masturbation. For most individuals, regular masturbation has no significant adverse physical effects. In fact, it can promote better sleep, reduce stress levels, and improve pelvic health by enhancing blood flow. That said, when done excessively, some physical discomforts might occur. Skin irritation. Repeated friction, especially without proper lubrication, may lead to soreness or irritation. Desensitization. Overstimulation could potentially reduce sensitivity, making other sexual experiences feel less intense. Temporary fatigue. While orgasm releases endorphins, excessive release of these feel-good hormones might temporarily lower energy levels. It's important to note that these effects are typically short-lived and reversible with moderation. Section 3. Psychological and social impacts. When it comes to the psychological side, daily masturbation can offer stress relief and comfort. Yet, if it becomes your only way to cope with stress or boredom, it might evolve into a dependency that affects your emotional well-being. Additionally, societal taboos can sometimes lead to feelings of guilt or shame, undermining self-esteem. Coupled with excessive use of pornography, these patterns may distort expectations of intimacy and reduce satisfaction in real-life relationships. Socially, while frequent masturbation doesn't directly harm relationships, it can be a sign of underlying challenges. Prioritizing solo sexual activity over meaningful time with loved ones might lead to feelings of isolation and diminished intimacy. Open communication about sexual needs is essential, and if these habits begin to replace partner interaction, seeking guidance from a therapist or counselor can help restore a healthier balance. Section 4. Sexual health and addiction. A key area of concern raised by experts is the potential for excessive masturbation to be linked with compulsive sexual behavior, sometimes described as sex addiction. It's important to distinguish between a healthy sex drive and behavior that feels out of control. True sex addiction is characterized by persistent, uncontrollable urges that interfere with daily life, work, or relationships, even when the behavior is causing distress. Recognizing when your habits are crossing this line is crucial for addressing any underlying issues effectively. Section 5. When to seek help. Knowing when your masturbation habits might be problematic is an essential part of maintaining overall well-being. Consider seeking professional guidance if you notice any of the following red flags: your daily routine or responsibilities are suffering. You prioritize this habit over engaging in meaningful relationships or activities. Despite wanting to cut back, you feel unable to control the frequency. The behavior is accompanied by persistent feelings of guilt, shame, or distress. Reaching out to a therapist, counselor, or medical professional can provide you with strategies to re-establish balance without judgment. Section 6. A female doctor's perspective. Many female doctors emphasize that masturbation, in moderation, is a healthy part of self-care. The concerns typically arise not from the act itself but from its context. When masturbation is linked with excessive pornography use or becomes a compulsive behavior, that's when issues may emerge. Moreover, long-term worries about daily masturbation reducing vitality or affecting overall health are largely unfounded, the body is remarkably adaptive, and occasional breaks can help restore sensitivity and energy. Section 7. Finding balance and healthy habits. The key takeaway is balance. It's crucial to keep your habits in check so that masturbation remains a part of your self-care routine rather than a compulsive behavior. Consider setting personal limits, exploring alternative activities like exercise or hobbies, and fostering real-life connections to ensure overall well-being. Diversifying your coping strategies can help maintain a healthy relationship with your sexuality. Conclusion. Remember, masturbation is a natural aspect of human sexuality that, when practiced in moderation, can be a healthy part of life. By staying informed and mindful of how it fits into your lifestyle, you can make empowered decisions about your sexual health. Thank you for joining us at Grandma's Wise Advice. If you found these insights valuable, please like, comment, and subscribe for more empowering discussions.